Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
All right. Thank you so much for staying with me so far. It's now time for us to look to unbox our solutions for today. So hi Calm Collective, welcome back to Unbox Solutions with me right here on Refresh, Relax, Renew podcast. It's episode 26, and today we've got not one, not two, but a whole lifestyle makeover hiding into these boxes. From the kitchen to the living room, your wardrobe, your self-care routine, and even your hair game. We're covering it all. So let's dive right in. There we go. That's me unboxing. Yes. So today we have and I'm just taking everything out of their package right now, but we have today kitchen gadgets. What is it called? So it's the all right. I'm just taking out everything and putting it on the table. So let me just go through what they are so far, or should I wait until we're going? I'll just wait until we're going through them individually. So this one that I'm opening right now is the table. I think the table is the one I go through first. Okay, so this right here that I'm using with my microphone, that's the table right there that I'm opening. It's I don't know how to pronounce this. RCHYFEED Metal End Table. And so this metal end table is the solution for small spaces. The matte black, it is really, really lovely. It has this thing that comes in it. You're gonna see it as I open it. It's really lovely, and it's stronger than I thought it was too. And it's also tall. You can bring it up higher if you want to. Yeah, it's really, really, really the height adjustable, right? And it's adjustable height, which is really, really cool. And it's sleek tray top. You can use it for different things. I'm using it to hold my microphone, but you can also use it like if you're like a nice side table. You can put like your computer on top of it, like when you're sitting on a sofa or whatever. Nice side table. It's very multifunction, right? And the next thing that you can see me open there is a top that you'd have seen me in this. I was wearing this top last week. A nice floral top. I really, really like the patterns is what I really, really like. Yeah, so there it is. I wore it last week, so you can check that out. And now this is a kitchen gadget with I really, really like this. So it's a Pisol Kitchen Unique Gadgets. Gadget set 6 smart little superheroes ready to rescue your counter space. Yeah, and the good thing about this, it has a little bag that comes with it, but it has a little thing you can just hang it up somewhere. So you see the different parts that it has. It has cheese grater, bottle opener, fruit and veggie peeler, pizza cutter, garlic and ginger grinder, and a herb stripper. Yeah. All of those come with it. Yeah. That's that. Yeah, and it has a little brush that came with it to like wash it. Now this is a pedicure sponge that you can use to scrub your feet, and it has this, I don't know if it's soap that's on it because I haven't used it yet, but it has this solution, this thing on it, sorry. You'll see it when I open it. Where is it? Yeah, it's like a self-care reset. Oh, it says Spongeable Pedi Scrub Sponge. Yeah. And you can use that sponge over 20 times. So it's a sponge and soap in one. Yeah. And this now that you're looking at is INFINITI Pro Conair Dryer Brush. Yes, yes. All in one go. So hot air meets salon results. No juggling multiple tools, no arm workout required. The reason I bought that is because it detangles. It's a hair dryer. It dries your hair and detangles at the same time. So that's why I got it. It was really, really pretty cool. Yeah, so that was so quick. Right, so today we unboxed the kitchen, the living room, the closet, the spa, and the salon. Episode 26 proves that solutions don't come in one size. They come in sets, in styles, in scrubs, and in smoothing brushes. Which one, before we go to the tip, which one of those were your favorite? Drop it in the comments, please. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves smart solutions. Until next time, refresh, relax, renew, and always keep unboxing life's little answers with me. Now for our tip, or unboxing tip for today. As you can see it on the screen, don't just open boxes, open possibilities. Every tool, every gadget or product you bring into your life should do two things. It should save you space and save you stress. Let's say that again. Save you space and save you stress. It shouldn't crowd you. And it shouldn't stress you, okay? If it's not simplifying your daily routine, it's just clutter. Choose solutions that serve you, not stuff that owns you. All right? Thank you so much for watching our unboxing segment, and let's now go to our next segment. I love to open new packages. I want there will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.